I'm Jane Esselstyn.
And I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And she's the mommy in the Mommy's Mushroom Gravy recipe we're doing today in honor of Thanksgiving approaching. It is called Mommy's Mushroom Gravy 2.0. It's 2.0 because the first time I used this recipe in Plant Strong with my brother Rip, we loved it. But when we were making it for heart disease patients, we really wanted to make the sodium level be as low as possible, but still have this great flavor and carry that sort of umami, yummy, mommy mushroom gravy flavor. So we absolutely have the tamari and we have the miso. And it's delicious.
And the great thing is, you can, when you buy miso, buy the lowest sodium one you can find. And there's one out there that is absolutely so excellent, and I've forgotten the name of it. But you can get quite a bit of a variety in miso, but just look for the one.
You mean variety
lowest
of sodium levels?
Sodium levels.
We go with white, or like sometimes it's called mellow, and it tends to be not as intense. And I don't know about the sodium level. I'm not going to.
It's 210.
There you go. Okay. Well, the way to start Mommy's Mushroom Gravy is by sautéing an onion, and we've done that a million times with you. So we're just going to. You want to throw it on there? Great. And we can use this. Sauté the onion, and with the onion, we're going to have some garlic, and there's a couple cloves. And what's so cool about this recipe is that you have a ton of mushrooms when you begin it, and you think, oh gosh, this is so filled with mushrooms. This is not going to cook down to be gravy. It cooks down, and it gives this great flavor. And to be honest, this is the first dish that disappears on our Thanksgiving buffet. We have everybody in the family bring a dish. I mean, everybody. I mean, some kids are bringing, a sack of apples, but everyone brings something to Thanksgiving. And guess what my mom always makes? Mommy's Mushroom Gravy. Times what, like 3 or 4? You
Yeah.
triple it. It has pepper. It has that salt, that umami. Oh, I can hear it sizzling right now. So let's get the mushrooms in and get it cooked down. This will take a few minutes, so we might just speed it up for you for a second here. All right, back in a flash. Okay, that's cooking down kind of nicely. I'm going to add 1 cup of broth to the vegetables and have them cook. And my mom's going to make a little bit of the mixture here. Here, you can add a cup here to your bowl. For the potent flavor. With 1 cup of meat, 1 cup of broth.
And then some miso. Whoops. Splash. Mix that in. This is some flour.
I'm going to put the tamari in over here. Tamari is going in with the vegetables.
Why not in here?
You want it in there?
Yeah.
Okay, you go in there.
It's kind of nice to have everything liquid in here.
All right.
And the thing about it is that it's good to get to, if you don't do this first with the flour and the liquid, then the flour can get lumpy when you stick it in the gravy. And you want nice, smooth gravy.
Only half the time I remember to do that, and I somehow muscle my way through the clumps that I get out there. There are a lot of clumps in this one.
Well, I think that's the miso clumps.
Oh.
So are we ready to have this go?
No. I've got to cook this down a little while, and you want to stir that, so we'll be another few minutes. Okay, the mushrooms are now ready to have the miso and tamari mixture. And
which is nice to do it as liquid, but as Jane said, you can always add it at the last minute.
Or I just cook it all in together without making it liquid first. And this is a little bit of cooking sherry. Oh, look at that go.
Woo!
Side to side. Well, look at that. And the sherry. Ooh, here. Thank you. Okay, now this is just going to cook down until it's the texture of gravy that you want. It thickens up sort of as long as you want to leave it cooking.
A little bit of sherry, Marseille, something like that, adds just a special flavor. All the alcohol cooks off.
But it is optional. You don't have to use it.
It's totally optional.
Yeah.
But I always find when I add it, it's a little better tasting.
Well, I think it's probably reminiscent to real gravy that you grew up with. Or
No,
something.
it just has that some kind of a little.
Sophisticated flavor.
Yeah,
Oh.
exactly.
All right, it's going to cook down a little longer. We'll be right back. This is looking so good now. Love adding the crazy black pepper. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Did we get enough in there? I can never tell. All right, this is looking like gravy. This is looking like gravy.
Woo!
Um,
Oh, it's so delicious.
So delicious. And let's go low. You got it? Ooh, hot. Okay, this,
This is ambrosia.
yeah.
It's wonderful on anything. On baked potatoes, on spinach,
Mashed potatoes
mashed potatoes.
with
Oh,
stuffing, with
that
sweet potato.
picture there
Oh, yes.
makes
This
me
is,
drool every time I see it.
no, we truly
Anything.
do eat this with like roasted new potatoes, mashed potatoes, whole potatoes. When we have a,
We went to a conference one time, do you remember? And they had a big, huge bin of this on top of little baked potatoes, and it was just such a hit.
it is such a hit. And again, it's the first thing on our Thanksgiving buffet to be just gone, empty. Okay, so it's a little too hot to taste right now, but we're going to eat every single drop of this, I guarantee. All right, so go make your mommy's mushroom gravy. Good luck with it.
Bye.
Bye.